लेकिन क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछना अगर बोले तो कैसी बात है साहब? नए नए चीजें दिख रहे साहब। हम रोज सुबह आते थे, असेंबली में आते पूरे क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स दे देते थे। अब बोल रहे हैं कि जैसा क्वेश्चन आएगा जब ही आंसर देंगे। ये कौन से रूल पोजीशन में है साहब? ये
అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు
असेंबली में मत बुलाओ साहब।
నా ఫీలింగ్ చెప్పిన నా ఫీలింగ్ మీరు అడగండి నేను మీకు గుర్తు చేస్తున్నా అంతే, మిమ్మల్ని అడగద్దు
सर डिक्टेटोरियल डेमोक्रेसी नहीं होना साहब। वी हैव टू बी अ वेरी accommodative and a very vibrant and an open democracy।
నేను మిమ్మల్ని
ये ऐसा हो गया साहब कि हम जैसा चाहे वैसा चलाएंगे, बोले तो ठीक है साहब मैं चले जाता हूं, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछता हूं।
ప్రశ్న మిమ్మల్ని అడగమంటున్నా, నా ఇబ్బంది నా ఫీలింగ్ చెప్తున్నా। ఓకే
Sir, I would like to know from your, sir, through you, sir, I would like to know, will the Hyderabad Metro Rail run minibus?
Speaker, sir. So with all due respect to my friend Akbar Owaisi, sir, the word dictatorial democracy is something that is definitely not warranted, sir. Most certainly, the House is being run in a very, very democratic fashion under your leadership, sir. So to question the chair or to even accuse or to even cast aspersions saying dictatorial democracy as paddhati kadu, I request the honorable member, is a senior member, sir, senior legislator. All the honorable chair said to you was, or had commented was, that your questions obviously will take you asked very elaborately the follow-up questions. As a result, the minister would require a lot of time. In fact, that might take the entire question hour, is what the honorable speaker was saying. So all he was suggesting was that you have demands anyway. This is budget session. Demand तो है ही, डिमांड में भी आप ये मुद्दे उठा सकते हैं, डिमांड में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं। तो इसी वास्ते नहीं आप साहब एक मिनट सुन तो लीजिए साहब आप तो तहकीकात नहीं आप तहकीकात करने शुरू हो गए साहब जो आपने अकबर साहब सुन तो लीजिए सुन तो लीजिए सरकार, अरे सुन तो लो भाई। स्पीकर साहब ने खुद कहा आपसे, अकबर साहब स्पीकर साहब ने आपसे खुद कहा। No, my only request to you is, you can always have these follow-up questions in your demands, but to ask such elaborate questions and to expect answers from the minister at this point of time in a question hour is not appropriate, is what the chair was saying. Sir, you can't dictate to the chair. You cannot dictate to the chair. In fact, you said dictatorial democracy. I request you to withdraw your words. Dictatorial democracy कहां से हो गई?
మినిస్టర్ గారు అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు మీకు नहीं होना चाहिए అంటే గదే మీనింగ్ మాకు కూడా కొంత భాష వస్తుంది अपन भी थोड़ा समझते मगर ఓకే ఇట్ ఇప్పుడు మీ నిర్ణయానికి మీ విచక్షణకే మిగతా విషయాలు వదిలిపెట్టు చెప్పండి యు కంటిన్యూ
सर आई हैव नॉट सेड दैट कि देयर इज अ डिक्टेटर। मैं नहीं बोला साहब उस बात पे। मैं आपसे यही बोलूंगा साहब कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, क्वेश्चन का मुझे आंसर होना है।
ओके
और आंसर देना नहीं देना मिनिस्टर साहब का इख्तियार है। आई कैन नॉट फोर्स यू।
प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
तो मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछने दीजिए सर। सर विल द आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू नो, विल द हैदराबाद मेट्रो ट्रेन रन मिनी बसेस? कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है क्या उनके साथ? आने के बाद क्या उनको परमिशन देंगे क्या आप? And also, sir, lastly, sir, how many CNG buses are there in the fleet of buses running in GHMC area, sir? And is there any proposal or plan to buy new CNG buses in GHMC area to reduce the pollution, sir? Sir, it is a very dangerous, sir, carbon monoxide आ रहा है साहब बसेस में से। एक आरटीसी बस के पीछे अगर कोई ऑटो या टू व्हीलर जाता है साहब, उसका मुंह काला हो जाता है। बस के लिए ठहरते हैं साहब, तो बस के ठहरने के वक्त में आधे घंटे तक बस नहीं आती साहब। सर एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग कैशलेस, हाईटेक सिटी एरिया है, ऑफिसेस है, व्हाई डोंट वी टॉक टू देम, व्हाई डोंट वी हैव अ मीटिंग विद देम एंड यू नो वी कैन गिव देम सम कार्ड or we can have some machine over there with which they can just swipe and go in the buses, and the buses can be made conductorless, at least for that area. This is needed. Sir, one more thing is that we need to have some new dedicated lanes for buses, at least not in the city, sir. Wherever the city is expanding, wherever they are going to submit their layout plan for sanction of those plots and that locality, we can say that it is compulsory and mandatory that the main road should be this much. And the most important thing which I want to bring to you kind notice is that, sir, bade buses to bahut hai. Main thing I want to bring to your kind notice through you to the government is that, sir, we need mini buses. छोटे buses होना है साहब. छोटे buses रहे ना साहब तो गलियों में से लोग ऑटोज में बैठकर आ रहे हैं 40-40, 50-50 रुपए देके मेन रोड पर आते हैं मेन बस स्टॉप पे बस लेने के लिए. आप छोटे मिनी बसेस को लाइए और मिनी बसेस को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे ले रहे हैं साहब. इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग? व्हाई आर वी नॉट परचेजिंग मिनी बसेस? मिनी बसेस ओल्ड सिटी में मिनी बसेस होना है साहब. सेटविन इज ऑल्सो रनिंग मिनी बसेस. Why don't we all sit together? If the Honorable Minister Sahab doesn't have the time to reply to all my questions, through you lastly, sir, I would like to request that to see this problem of buses and the requirement of new buses and waiving and taking off the old buses, a meeting can be called of city legislatures. We can sit together, have a discussion and see that how best we can improve the city RTC. This is what I want to bring to a notice, sir. Thank you, sir.